Sa real estate, minsan hindi lang naman yung bahay mismo ang binabayaran mo, kundi yung future location. And for today, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung bakit maraming tumitingin dito sa Somerset Phase 14 sa Zone 1 ng Lancaster, New City. Kasi itong Hana Duplex Inventory, strategically located siya near major developments. Katabi siya mismo ng River Park nearby Yumi, a Japanese-inspired community inside River Park. Likod lang yan ng Uniqlo Logistic at malapit pa sa future SM General Trias. At ang mas interesting pa dito, yung Hana Duplex dito is around 5 million pesos only. Samantalang, yung nearby premium developments around the River Park area, umaabot na ng 18 million and above. So ngayon, ang tanong, could this be the one of the smartest and most affordable ways para makapasok ka sa isang fast-growing location like this? Tara, samahan niyo ako. Hi ka-Dream Home! This is Miss Mary, your ka-Dream Home and an accredited real estate salesperson. And if gusto mo ng honest property tours, real estate updates, and investment insight around Cavite, you're in the right channel. Kasi dito, hindi lang tayo basta nag-house tour. Pinag-uusapan din natin yung future developments at potential location. So today, pag-uusapan natin kung bakit interesting itong Hana Duplex Inventory sa Somerset 14 ng Lancaster, New City, Cavite. This is the community of Lancaster, New City. And as you can see, maintain din yung mga puno and open spaces around the area. Kaya very relaxing talaga yung overall community vibe dito. Kaya malaking bagay rin ito, especially for families na gusto ng peaceful at maaliwalas na environment. And ngayon naman, pupuntahan natin yung actual location kung saan itatayo yung ating Hana Duplex 3-bedroom homes dito sa SS14. So dito po tayo sa right side magsisimula. And dito rin po ilalagay yung ating Hana Duplex dito sa SS14. And this is Somerset Avenue. And dito rin po officially magi-start yung River Park development. As you can see, makikita natin na mix siya ng residential communities and future developments around the area. So itong side naman na ito, this is the existing community of Lancaster, New City, which is the Somerset Villages. And ang maganda rito, established na yung community. Kaya hindi ka bibili sa totally isolated na location. So ito naman yung River Park residential area. And dito po sa area na to, the property prices are already ranging from around 16 to 18 million pesos and above. And itong buong side na to, part pa lang ito ng future developments ng River Park. And the residential community here is called Yumi. So ito guys, yung likod ng dinaanan natin is the area near SM General Trias. And itong current area na to, this is SS14 kung saan ilalagay yung ating Hana Duplex. And malaking advantage nito, likod lang mismo siya ng Uniqlo Logistic Hub. And advantage nitong SS14, magkakaroon po dito ng direct access road, kaya napakaganda talaga na accessibility nitong area. Kasi from here sa SS14, hindi mo na kailangan umikot doon sa dinaan natin kanina. Dito kayo pwedeng dumaan palabas through the open canal gate near Calax exit. And ang mismong lalabasan nyo ay yung near SM City General Trias na sa loob po mismo ng Lancaster. So ngayon naman, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung actual location kung saan itatayo yung ating mga Hana Duplex dito sa SS14 sa Zone 1 ng Lancaster. And one thing na magugustuhan nyo dito, lahat ng units here are duplex and perimeter units. Meaning, wala po kayo magiging katalikuran na other unit. Kaya mas open, mas private, and mas maaliwalas yung overall feel ng community. And honestly, isa rin sa pinakamaganda dito is yung location mismo ng area. Kasi from the entrance gate, diretso lang po yung access papunta dito. So very accessible talaga siya. And because prime location itong area na to, mas convenient rin siya for everyday living. Madali yung access palabas, near major roads, and surrounded pa siya ng future developments around River Park and SM General Trias. So ito mismo yung actual location kung saan itatayo yung ating mga Hana Duplex, itong open space na to. So lahat yan is perimeter. So, Hana Duplex na mga walang katalikurang unit. And another good thing here, since perimeter units lahat, mas maganda rin yung airflow and ventilation around the area. Kaya mas relaxing and mas comfortable yung magiging community setup. And aside from that, may ginagawa na rin pong road access here papuntang Imo City Hall. Kaya mas magiging convenient pa yung accessibility nitong buong area in the future. And what makes this more interesting, itong Yumi is a Japanese-inspired residential community here in River Park. And since si Hana Duplex naman is also Japanese-inspired, parang yun din yung concept na inalayin dito sa area. Kaya nagkaroon din ng Hana Duplex dito sa SS14 na mas affordable yung entry price compared sa nearby residential developments around River Park. So ito naman yung harapan nung likod na pinuntahan natin kanina doon sa may Yumi area. And ito naman yung side ng River Park Central Park. So itong area na to, dito nakapalibot yung major developments around River Park. Meron ditong offices, nearby Uniqlo, Calax Access, and this road na dinadaan natin ngayon is River Park Avenue. And dito naman sa left side, papunta yan sa Uniqlo warehouse. Gawa na rin yung Uniqlo Logistic Hub natin dito. While dito naman sa right side, nandito yung National University. And then, itong nasa harapan natin, this is the future SM City General Trias. And honestly, makikita mo talaga kung gaano kaganda yung development nitong buong area. Kasi imagine, near universities, may church, may amenities, commercial establishments, and major infrastructure developments all around. Kaya very strategic talaga yung location ng Hana Duplex dito sa SS14. And this is the future SM City General Trias, expected to become one of the largest malls in Calabarzon. And this whole site is part of the commercial area of River Park by Federal Land. And as of last year, the commercial properties around this area were already ranging around 70 to 80 million pesos. Kaya makikita mo talaga yung future potential ng location. So yun mga ka-Dream Home, this is also one of the latest construction updates nitong tinatayong SM City General Trias. And honestly, kapag nakikita mo mismo yung ongoing developments around the area, mas maiintindihan mo bakit maraming investors and home buyers yung interested ngayon dito sa SS14. Kasi minsan sa real estate, the best opportunities come habang ongoing pa lang yung developments. And malaking factor talaga yung timing. Kaya naman kung gusto mo makita personally itong Hana Duplex dito sa Somerset Phase 40 ng Zone 1, message me for updated computation, available inventory, tripping schedule, and full project details. And comment home below if gusto mong masenda na complete presentation. And always remember, don't wait to buy real estate. Buy real estate and wait. And now, let's check out the actual turnover unit nitong Hana Duplex. Isa sa mga magugustuhan mo agad dito is yung lot area niya. Kasi this unit comes with around 80 square meters na lot area. Kaya meron na rin siyang provision for 2 carport. And malaking advantage iyon especially for growing families. And dito naman sa side, mapapansin nyo na meron pa tayong malaking open space. And magandang advantage ito kasi pwede mo pa siyang ipa-extend in the future. And honestly, isa sa pinaka nagustuhan ko kay Hana Duplex, kahit duplex type siya, may illusion siya na parang single attach. Kaya mas premium at mas magandang tignan overall yung design ng bahay. And because of the spacing and layout. And ito naman sa front area, pwede ka ring maglagay ng mini garden. So if gusto mo ng may konting greenery sa harap ng bahay, perfect talaga yung extra space niya. And malaking dagdag iyon sa overall ambience ng home. So pagpasok natin, this is the living area. And one thing na mapapansin mo agad, very open and maliwanag yung space, and malaking factor dito, yung malalaking windows. Kaya mas maraming natural light na pumapasok sa bahay. And honestly, mas nakaka-fresh at mas welcoming yung feeling ng interior because of that. And moving forward, dito naman yung dining area. So kasya dito yung 6-seater na dining set. Good for growing families. Ayan. And dito naman sa ground floor, meron na tayong toilet and bath, and naka-tiles na rin siya. So malaking less hassle na yun for the future homeowner. Malinis na rin yung finish and ready na siyang gamitin. And dito naman yung ating kitchen. And simple but functional yung layout niya. May enough workspace ka for daily cooking and practical talaga siya for everyday family use. May mga space pa yan na pwede nyong gamitin for future expansion. Ayan. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung sample dress up later para ma-visualize nyo kung paano siya mas na-maximize yung space niya dito sa kitchen. Na kahit hindi ine-extend yung service area, pwedeng-pwede nyo siyang mapaganda. And dito naman sa likod, this is the service area. Perfect siya for laundry and additional utility space. Or pwede mo rin siyang ipa-improve depende sa setup na gusto mo. Yan, ganyan siya kalawak. Since duplex yung unit natin, ang maganda dyan, wala ka ng katalikuran. Pader na yung likod mo. Then, ito yung space mo for the carport. Ayan. So, malaki yung lot area natin dito sa gilid, even yung sa harap. And now, punta naman tayo sa second floor para i-check yung mga bedrooms. So, ganito siya sa taas, pagka yung space niyan sa ground floor. Ayan. Dito naman yung kitchen and service area. Check natin yung mga bedrooms. Dito, pag akyat mo pa lang, hindi na siya masikip sa pakiramdam kasi ang maganda dito sa taas, may malaking space pa siya for hallway. So, hindi agad bedroom pag akyat mo sa hagdan. Ayan. So, this is the first bedroom. Perfect siya for kids, guest room, or even home office setup. And dahil may window na rin siya, mas maliwanag at maaliwalas yung room. Dito naman sa second floor, meron na rin tayong toilet and bath. So, bukod pa yung toilet and bath natin sa ground floor. So, may privacy talaga yung mga homeowners natin kapag may mga bisita. So, hindi na nila kailangan pumunta pa dito sa second floor para mag-CR. Ito na yung mga inclusions niya. May lavatory, meron na rin yan nakaabang na saksakan for water heater, may shower na rin. Then, naka-tiles na rin po. And this is the second bedroom. Malaki din yung space niya. Perfect din to for kids or even office room. Pwede nyo yan gawing study area or work from home setup. Then, meron siyang view dito sa may labas, sa service area. Ayan. So, presko, yung hangin pumapasok dito kasi malaki din yung window niya. May mga nakaabang na rin yan na for window type aircon. May mga saksakan na rin dyan. Ano talaga, super livable na talaga yung Hana unit natin. Ikaw na lang yung kulang. Ayan, and finally, this is the master bedroom. And ito talaga yung isa sa pinaka-comfortable spaces inside the house. Mas spacious yung feel niya and because of the windows, mas bright and relaxing yung atmosphere ng room. And honestly, simple man yung turnover pero makikita mo talaga yung potential niyang maging very cozy family home. And overall, very practical si Hana. Especially for buyers na gusto ng magandang location, functional layout, future expansion potential, and modern Japanese-inspired design. And considering the development surrounding this area, mas interesting talaga yung value niya today. And now, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo itong sample dress-up unit ng Hana Duplex. And honestly, makikita mo talaga yung full potential ng unit once nalagyan na siya ng design, furniture, and improvements. And isa sa mapapansin nyo agad dito sa garage area, nakasemento na siya. Kaya mas malinis at premium tignan yung overall exterior ng bahay. And because meron na ring extension dito sa harap, mas lalo pang umangat yung overall look ng Hana Duplex. And malaking tulong rin ito para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung paano nyo rin pwedeng ipa-improve or ipa-design yung future Hana unit nyo. And makikita nyo rin na kahit simple yung extension, malaki talaga yung difference sa overall appearance ng bahay. Mas modern, mas elegant, and mas homey yung dating niya. And honestly, ito yung magandang example kung paano mo pwedeng i-maximize yung extra space ng Hana Duplex. So, pagpasok natin, this is the living area. And malaking difference talaga kapag nalagyan na ng actual furniture and design yung space. Kasi mas nakikita mo na ngayon kung paano talaga siya mas nagiging home. And imagine, dito kayo magre-relax with your family, watching movies, bonding together, or simply enjoying your everyday life. And because of the large windows, mas maliwanag at mas welcoming yung buong area. Katabi naman nito is the dining area. And honestly, mas maganda talaga siyang tignan once fully dressed up na. Kasi mas nakikita mo yung actual space ng bahay. And imagine, dito kayo sabay-sabay kakain as family, celebrating birthdays, or having simple family dinners together. And malaking factor talaga yung open layout kasi mas connected yung living and dining area. And here naman sa ground floor, meron tayong toilet and bath. And compared sa actual turnover, mas elevated na yung overlook niya because of the design and styling. Malinis, modern, and very functional. And ito naman yung kitchen area. And honestly, isa ito sa pinakamalaking changes na mapapansin mo. Kahit wala pa siyang expansion, ang ganda na agad ng overall layout niya. And because of the design, mas naging modern and organized tignan yung kitchen. And malaking inspiration talaga ito sa future homeowners. Kasi makikita mo kung paano mo pwedeng matransform yung space into something more stylish and functional. Tara, puntahan naman natin yung second floor. So this is the first bedroom. And once nalagyan na siya ng furniture, mas makikita mo talaga yung comfort and potential ng room. Perfect siya for kids, guest room, or even work from home setup. And dahil maliwanag rin yung room, mas relaxing yung overall feel niya. And dito naman sa second floor, meron din tayong toilet and bath. And mas elevated rin yung overall feel niya because of the interior styling. Simple, modern, at very clean tignan. And this is the second bedroom. And maganda rin yung space niya for a growing family. Pwede rin siyang maging study room, gaming room, or another family bedroom. And malaking bagay talaga kapag nakikita mo yung dress-up setup. Kasi mas madali mo mai-imagine yung sarili mo living inside the house. This is the master bedroom. And honestly, ito talaga yung isa sa pinaka-cozy part of the house. Mas makikita mo rito yung actual feel ng living inside Hana Duplex. And because fully dressed up na yung room, mas madali mong mai-imagine yung future lifestyle mo here. And kahit simple yung overall layout, napaka-warm and homey ng atmosphere. And honestly, malaking difference talaga kapag nakikita mo yung dress-up version ng bahay. Kasi nai-imagine mo yung possibilities, yung future setup, and yung potential ng magiging home mo. And malaking advantage talaga kay Hana Duplex kasi kahit simple yung original turnover, napakadali niya i-transform into a modern and beautiful family home. So ngayon naman, pag-usapan natin yung current inventory natin for Hana Duplex dito sa Somerset Phase 14. And as of now, may around 14 slots pa tayong available. But take note guys, mabilis lang talagang maubos yung ganitong klaseng inventory, especially because of the location and surrounding developments around the area. And ngayon, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo yung master plan map ng Somerset Phase 14. And as you can see here sa map, from the entrance gate, malapit lang mismo yung location ng Hana Duplex. Diretso lang po from entrance and ito na agad yung magiging location niya. Kaya very accessible talaga siya. And itong mga red dots naman na nakikita niyo sa screen, these are the available Hana Duplex units. And mapapansin nyo rin na lahat po sila ay perimeter units. Meaning, wala po kayong magiging katalikuran na other unit. Kaya mas open, mas private, and mas maaliwalas yung overall setup ng community. And now, check naman natin yung sample computation for Hana Duplex. So for the unit details, Hana Duplex comes with 80 square meters lot area and 54 square meters floor area. And for this project, assisted po siya through bank financing. So the total contract price is 5,094,000 pesos. And para naman sa reservation fee, it's only 25,000 pesos. And since pre-selling po itong Hana Duplex, you'll have 18 months para hulugan yung down payment. So, installment basis po natin siyang babayaran. And the total down payment is 611,750 pesos. And if hahatiin natin siya into 18 months, your estimated monthly down payment would be around 33,986.11 pesos per month. And after completing the down payment, dito na po papasok yung loanable amount sa bank, which is amounting to 4,457,250 pesos. And for the estimated monthly amortization through bank financing for 20 years, it would be around 37,791.37 pesos per month. And for full details and complete discussion, pwede po kayong mag-message sa akin directly para mapag-usapan natin ng maayos yung buong process. And if kayo naman po ay ready na magpa-reserve, basic requirements lang po yung kailangan. And ito po yung nasa screen. Full name of buyer, email address, contact number, and home address. Kasama na rin po dito yung 25,000 reservation fee. Ganun lang po kadali. Kaya if interested kayong kumuha nitong Hana Duplex dito sa SS14, nandito lang po ako to help and guide you through the whole process until your future move-in.
So kung gusto mo makita personally itong Hana Duplex dito sa Somerset 14 ng Zone 1 ng Lancaster, New City, I'll be happy to assist you. Message me for updated computation, available inventory, tripping schedule, and full project details. And comment home below kung gusto mong masenda ng complete presentation. And always remember, don't wait to buy real estate. Buy real estate and wait. This is Miss Mary, your ka-dream home and an accredited real estate salesperson. See you on our next property tour.